Hello, very good evening. I'm Priya and I represent the brand Total Sports and Fitness. As you know, we hear or we saw the video, I imagine or I hope that the sport का energy जो आता है जो stadium में आती है वही same type की energy हमारे stores में मिलती है. Firstly, I would like to thank Jito Connect for allowing and giving me this opportunity. Secondly, I would like to thank everyone. I hope this is my first time, so I am expecting the patience, and also the forgiveness agar if I, mess up somewhere. So we are Total Sports and Fitness, and we are India's #1 multi-brand sports store. And we are present in the market from past 22 years. हमारा जो store है mainly based out of Mumbai या महाराष्ट्र है. हमारे खुद के, if you go ahead, yeah. So जैसे मैं बोल रही थी, Total Sports and Fitness. The name Total, how did it come into picture? I'll quickly run you through. It's like sir was saying, it is about everything together and also experience जो as a young athlete हमारे sir ने face की थी. तो हमारे founders हैं नितिन शाह and जितेन छेड़ा, who is part of this community. जब वो बड़े, they were athletes, and when they were really growing up as an athlete, they faced a lot of issue with the type of products, the brands, the infrastructure. So when they had adult money, they thought they should really help all the athletes, find everything under one roof. That is why it is Total. If you move forward, and our mission is to create a culture where sports and fitness is your way of life. If you go ahead. So like I was saying, this is Nitin Shah and Jiten Chheda. Nitin sir here is a visionarist, and he is a passionate cricketer. And Jiten Chheda on the other side, he's a passionate trekker, and he's really good with numbers. So if you go ahead. Yeah, so these are our offering. तो हमारे स्टोर में आपको सारे स्पोर्ट्स के प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे, जैसे क्रिकेट का बैट हो गया, योनेक्स का रैकेट हो गया. Plus, you will get all the sports apparels of Nike, Adidas, Puma, all of these things. We have sports shoes in which you have your normal walking shoes or running shoe, as well as the game shoe, जो cricket के लिए specific या gum shoes लगता है, वो भी है. Then we have fitness equipment and supplement. Next. So these are few of the brands जिनके हम biggest distributor है, giving few names like Speedo, Yonex, SS, SG, which are very well celebrated in the world of sports. So हमारे खुद के 19 stores हैं, हमारे 15 Coco, that is company owned, company operated है, and 2 are franchisee. Mostly if you see, it is towards the western side of India. मुंबई में हमारे 12 खुद के stores हैं, फिर the others, you know. And we have 2 franchisee store, one in Dharmapuri, and the same owner, or the investor, is now investing into Hosur. And we have another one in Ahilyanagar, which is very close to Aurangabad. So we have 3 verticals: retail, institutional, and e-com. So in B2B or institutional, like the name suggests, Total, we don't only sell products, but we also do the facilities and create an opportunity for the young athletes and us to practice sport. And we also are available, we have our own website, and we are available on Amazon, Flipkart, and Zepto. So why we are here is firstly because we want to spread our wings nationwide. Secondly, we had our 2 pilot project, एक धर्मपुरी था और दूसरा शॉप इन शॉप अपने हईला नगर में ओपन किया. We saw that, you know, this type of model is doing really well. We saw what were the challenges, we fixed the challenges, and now once it's a proven thing, we decided that we should now expand into FOFO model. So what are the support that we will be giving? I am Priya, like I said, and I lead the team of marketing. So marketing support आपको मिलेगा. पहले तो retail team जैसे ही कोई investor location बताएगा, we will first come and visit the location, see what is the capability, the locality, what is the, you know, the purchase power, and if there are any sporting facilities around. Then the marketing team will go offline, meet all the turfs, gyms, gymkhana, swimming pools, all the academies, and connect those coaches so that आपको recurring आपके users मिलते रहे. So that way you don't have to worry कि I have to go find customers for myself. You are already getting those customers pulled to you. Then we also do talent. Our HR team will find the right talent for you. The biggest pain point of an investor is, okay, I will invest, but you know, how am I gonna have the right team member to drive this? So you don't have to worry. Our team is really well. They will take care of, you know, hiring the right talent for you, then also nurturing the talent. The team comes and does hand holding. They give you classroom level का training, and also offline 1 महीना पूरा आपके साथ रहते हैं, पूरा आपको सिखाते हैं कि कैसे करना है. क्योंकि sports है तो technical questions ज़्यादा आती है, grams पे भी फर्क पड़ता है, तो all of that thing is taken care of. Lastly, like I said, technology and supply chain, because we also are the biggest distributor in B2B. We have our network, you know, nationwide, so we take care of that too for you. Next. So this is our franchisee modeling. What we are asking is that, you know, we can start with a smaller store of 500 square feet. Now why? Because हमें वो पूरा range दिखाने के लिए we require a minimum of 500 square feet का area, and the total investment we are asking is around 56.5 lakh, in which you will be covering, we will be covering your setup cost, we will be covering your franchisee and the inventory of 30 lakh. And also for the launch, like I was saying, all the prep which is required for your launch, the marketing online and offline, training and hand holding, we are assuming that we will be taking around 5 lakh. Now this will differ case to case as well. Coming down, we are promising a margin of 28, which is a bare minimum, and current franchisee is having at 31%. The average payback period, what we are looking for is around 3 years. If you change. This is something what we are asking from the franchisee investors. It's like, firstly, we want somebody who has a retail mindset, ki, you know, you shouldn't give up, you have to always make sure ki, kuch na kuch karke we have to make it work. Secondly, if it's from a sports background, I am sure everyone has played sport. So from a sports background, you're able to connect with your customers better. And lastly, if you see, you should have your financial commitment. Next. So I just wanted to share the success story of Dharmapuri store, which is around 1,200 square feet ka store, and it is in a tier 3 city. When the investor reached out to us, we were not really sure कि tier 3 में चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा, but the story, I mean, it shows over here. So just to give you a financials of how the store is performing, their average sale is around 13 lakh and their gross margin is around 31%. The gross profit is of 4 lakh after removing all the expenses, making a profit of 2 lakh. and the ROI is at 20.86%. And now the same investor is opening a store by November in Hosur. So that is how he was happy, and he was like, खुद से मुझे और एक store भी चाहिए. If you go ahead. We are looking for an opportunity pan-India because sports is everywhere, may it be tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3. We want to capitalize on all the market possible. Yeah, so the exclusive offer for today, tomorrow and day after would be for Jito members, we will be giving around 20% off on the franchisee fee. Yeah, and that's it. So thank you so much, and
Great.
if there are any questions.
Yeah, thank you, Priya. Any questions that the audience has?
Thank you so much for being so patient. I was seeing
Yeah.
everyone was like nodding.
Yeah.
The brands you're
Yeah.
dealing with the Puma, Nike,
Yeah.
the same costing will be of their stores, or the costing will be difference of the product?
So mostly the costing will be the same because we purchase in bulk from them. So the pricing offline at least would be the same. Online it depends on the distributor. Sometimes if it's an old stock, it can be less. Yeah. Any other question? Was it okay? Yeah.
After Franchise Bazaar, Elephant. Huh?
3.1, yeah. Yes. I will meet you over there. I have the entire financials. I can walk you through.
Great. Yeah, thank you so much, Priya.
Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you.
Great. So the next presentation that I have is my very own baby, and you know, it is a franchise consultation business. It's a franchise. You know, you become a franchise consultant in your city, and that's the opportunity that I'm going to talk about. It's an opportunity that takes you into the world of franchising, and will straight away get you to talk to entrepreneurs in your city and help them start a new business. So we'll start with the presentation. I'll try and keep it short. Yeah, so these are the services that we offer. We do business investment advisory. We also do franchise brokerage, business resales, commercial real estate, NRI and HNI services, global master franchisees. The total investment is approximately 5 lakh rupees, and you will earn a minimum of 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees per month. That's bare minimum. If we have motivated franchisees, there's easily 50 to 60 lakh rupees of revenue that you can do in a year. That's the opportunity I'm talking of. Let's go to the next slide. Yeah. So this is the entire, you know, positioning of the industry. If you look at franchising, you know, we are supposed to, you know, reach approximately 7,000 crore with 1.5 million people employed in this particular sector, with, you know, 4% of India's GDP that is going to be contributed by franchising. You know, you look at large businesses, even Wari, for example, is using the franchise model. You look at most businesses, they will start using franchise model. You know, you will be done with the traditional dealership, distributorships and agencies, and everybody will move to a more mature franchising model. It's only a matter of time. So we're going to get into this industry and then enable this particular industry. So what's the advantage of Franchise Bazaar? I mean, we are talking about 4,000 plus brands already listed. We have a clear 25 years advantage on the industry. I started this business in 1998, and we've been franchising for 25 years. Franchise Bazaar itself was born in 2010. So, you know, we have a clear advantage of having a very large inventory of companies which are franchising and which can be used to be able to give businesses in your cities from day one. That is what Franchise Bazaar is all about. We'll go to the next slide. Of course, I ran you through the different services that we offer in the first slide. If you look at, you know, our specialty, we typically are very good with entrepreneurs who want to buy a business in 30 days. If it's anything longer than that, and if people are just window shopping, then we're very good at helping them, you know, understand things over a period of 6 months to a year to maybe 2 years also. So, you know, you can keep understanding and keep, you know, doing your research. We'll help you with that as well. Of course, commercial property solutions. People who are having commercial properties can buy great franchisees and, you know, get better returns than just, you know, giving it away on rentals or lease. Also, you know, we do 10x to 100x growth for companies which are franchising. So you look at the local mithai wala, you look at the local boutique in your area, you look at any business that is expanding, they're all going to come to us for franchising. And that's what we are going to enable, right? We go to the next slide. This is about us. You know, what is our advantage? You know, we typically get 1,000 plus entrepreneurs per city per year. We do 1.5 lakh page views on a monthly basis. Very large amount of traffic of dedicated entrepreneurs looking to buy new businesses. And hence, once somebody buys our business, they automatically get plugged into that entrepreneurial ecosystem, and you know, you'll start benefiting from day one. Now, this is the typical financial model. It's a very low cost franchise opportunity. I don't even call it a opportunity that is going to give you return on investment. It's going to give you return on effort. No business in the world can give you a 5 lakh rupee of investment and, you know, give you a monthly income of 5 lakh rupees. It's only possible in these kind of businesses where it is continuous that franchisees can make maybe 3 deals in a month, 2 deals in a month, 1 deal in a month. Depends on how progressive the franchisee is. This is how they end up making money. We'll go to the next slide. What will you know, what are the benefits that you enjoy as a franchise partner? Number one, we are going to look at one exclusive franchisee per city. We have a hub and spoke model. Once we give a branch in a particular city, we go on and then appoint independent franchise consultants who get attached to that particular branch, which means that all the real estate consultants, all the LIC agents, all the financial services advisors, everybody gets connected to our ecosystem and work through the branch. Of course, you know, we have a comprehensive training program. I do the training myself personally. By the end of the training program, we believe that, you know, we are able to pass on our, you know, 25 years of experience onto the entrepreneur who are working on the ground, and we help them make lesser mistakes, you know, succeed faster. Up to 60% commissions on all sales that they close, which means that, you know, every time you give a new business and we take a success fee from the entrepreneur, from the company, the franchisee gets 60% of revenue from that particular transaction. Of course, you get the dashboard. We have a very robust, you know, lead flow of entrepreneurs reaching out to us. So you get that dashboard that you can process on a day-to-day basis. This is our social media footprint. If you look at the numbers, we are building content on a daily basis. You know, we have at least, for the last 15 years, we've been only doing content with at least 8 people doing it on a day-to-day basis. So that's the kind of base we've built to ensure that entrepreneurs reach out to us on a day-to-day basis, and that's what will go to franchisees. We'll go to the next slide. Yeah, this is the next process. Anybody interested, please meet our team and we'll help you, you know, take this forward. We'll go to the next. Yeah. These are a few brands. If you go to franchisebazaar.com, you can select industry, city, or investment. You know, any of these 3 options, and it will give you hundreds of options based on whatever you choose. So you can go and select a business of your choice, go and register on the website, and you can instantly start looking at different options that match your requirements. Next. Yeah, thank you so much. That's the presentations. Any questions, please? Yeah. On how to franchise your business at 12 o'clock tomorrow. I'm going to take at this hall, I'm going to take a complete session on how you can franchise your business. So please be available and we'll run you through the entire process of how to franchise your business. We have a master class tomorrow at 12 o'clock. I'll help you on that. Yeah. No, everybody is registered. I think there are only a few slots left in the particular thing. It was already full in the afternoon, so we added 20 more seats this evening. You can register and then, you know, you can come in tomorrow through the JPN app. Yes, 1 JBN app. Yeah. Any other questions that anybody has on the franchise model or Franchise Bazaar? Great. Tomorrow is building the franchise, how to franchise your business. Today is the franchise business. Yeah.
Everything support will be done from your team.
Yeah. Yes.
How do you charge investor on their
Okay. So generally, we take 30% of the franchise fee as our fees for every closure. The franchise fee is is the non-refundable component. It's not the total investment cost. So it's the 30% of that. That is the. There are some cases where there are no franchise fees. There are some cases where we charge a fixed minimum amount also. And there are some cases where there are investments of 2 crores, 5 crores. We work with a lot of jewelry brands, etc., etc. There it is a total percentage on turnover, on the total projected investment. So there's a lot of depends on what kind of franchisee the franchisee wants, the entrepreneur wants to take. Connect with me. I will. Yeah. Huh? Agar. Yes. So you can go to franchisebazaar.com and list your brand करके ऑप्शन है. वहाँ पर आप जा करके अपने ब्रांड को फ्री में लिस्ट कर सकते हो. प्लस उसमें प्लान्स हैं अगर आपको और एडिशनल सर्विसेज लेनी है. यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ माई टीम ऑल्सो. वी कैन हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे आपको पूरा ऑल इंडिया एक्सपेंशन हो सकता है, कितने लीड्स मिल सकते हैं, कैसे आपको एडिशनल एक्सपोजर मिल सकता है, एंड यू कैन गेट क्वालिटेटिव फ्रेंचाइजी लीड्स कमिंग टू यू. कैन डू दैट आउट डायरेक्टली. Great. So yeah, I think we'll now go on to the next presentation. This is Elephant, the Elephant, and I'm going to invite Mr. Saurabh Jain to make this presentation. Over to you, Mr. Saurabh.
Hello. Yeah. Jai Jinendra everyone. Good evening. My name is Saurabh Jain and I am the founder of The Elephant. आप में से कितने पेरेंट्स हैं? सभी पेरेंट्स हैं. तो इन सब में बाकी हमारी मेंबरशिप कॉमन होना हो, एक चीज़ कॉमन है कि हमारे बच्चे बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाते हैं. हम उनके लिए कोई टॉय लाते हैं, वो आज खेलते हैं, फिर अगले दिन कुछ और मांगते हैं. वी एज पेरेंट्स स्पेंड्स thousands of rupees on them and we see that everyone after a week our kids forgets it and wants something new. And इसी पॉइंट पे एक लगता है कि पेरेंटिंग थोड़ी सी ब्रोकन है. या तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा टॉयज़ लाते हैं और अपने घर को क्लटर करते हैं और एक्सपेंस करते रहते हैं, या फिर हम टॉय खरीदना बंद कर देते हैं एंड देन वी एंड अप सीइंग आवर किड्स रिसोर्टिंग डाउन टू अ मोबाइल फ़ोन एंड अदर डिजिटल डिस्ट्रैक्शन. इसी चीज़ को चेंज करता है दी एलिफेंट. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल मेंबरशिप प्लेटफॉर्म. आप अपने किड्स के लिए मेंबर बने, जो मर्जी टॉयज़ और बुक्स ले, और जब वो बोर हो जाएँ उन्हें एक्सचेंज करके कुछ और ले लीजिए. We do this across India in 18 cities. You simply order, get toys at your home and then you can exchange. ये तो हमारे users के लिए हम जो करते हैं. Today we are talking here about franchising. So we would love to discuss that. Maybe we'll just play a small video to help you understand how does the entire model work.
टॉयज मांगते हैं और आप सोच रहे हो अब और कितने टॉयज लाएं, तो सुनिए, द एलिफेंट इज फॉर यू. इंडिया की स्मार्टेस्ट टॉय लाइब्रेरी. टॉयज ऑर्डर करो, खेलो और जब चाहो एक्सचेंज करो. 850 plus toys for ages 0 to 12 from 75 plus top brands. Doorstep delivery and pickup. हर टॉय UV sanitized for safe play. और अगर टॉय टूट भी गया कोई टेंशन नहीं. Damages are fully covered. तो हर बार नए टॉयज खरीदने के बजाय बन जाओ स्मार्ट पेरेंट. Join the elephant. Unlimited toys, zero clutter.
So this is how it works, and we'll just discuss the franchise model. हमारा मॉडल बहुत सिंपल है. वी रन अ फ्रेंचाइज इन्वेस्टेड कंपनी ऑपरेटेड मॉडल, जिसे आप फोको भी कह सकते हैं. फ्रेंचाइज जो इन्वेस्ट करता है और कंपनी ऑपरेट करती है. दिस इज़ अनलाइक द अदर्स. आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ अस हु आर हियर डू अदर बिजनेसेस ऑल्सो. तो काफ़ी बार फ्रेंचाइज बिजनेस में हम शायद पूरा ध्यान नहीं दे पाते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ ब्रॉडली वॉट वी डू. वी हैव टुडे 100+ franchise partners, more than 1.25 lakh of registered users in 18 cities where we are present. Next. This is our growth journey. We have paid subscribers of 7,500. We have Jito incubated, JIF has funded us. We have Malpani Ventures funding, Venture Catalyst and other investors who have backed us. We were there on Shark Tank season 4 as well. Just go down. Yep. These are the cities where we operate, almost all major cities where we do. Just down, yeah. Now coming back, एक और नीचे आ जाइए. हाँ, plan पे सीधा down. One more. Yeah. So these are our franchise plans. Basically it's a pure passive investment plan. हम 3 plan run करते हैं. Let me explain you our second plan, which is a black model, जिसे हम कहते हैं. Purple, Black and Hub are 3 models. Let us talk about the black model, जिसमें आपका investment around 18 lakh rupees रहता है. जिसमें 15 लाख रुपीज़ आर इन्वेस्टेड ऑन टॉयज़. सो बेसिकली एसेट्स आर टॉयज़. एक सिंपल सा मॉडल है, हम आपको एसेट सेल करते हैं और आपसे वो एसेट लेके लीज आउट करते हैं हमारे कस्टमर्स को वापस से. यू गेट अ लीज पेमेंट बैक ऑन योर एसेट इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड हमें एसेट मिल जाता है टू रन ऑन आवर लाइब्रेरी मॉडल. सो योर एंटायर इन्वेस्टमेंट इज़ ऑन एसेट्स. सो 18 लाख के मॉडल में 15 लाख रुपए के आपको टॉयज़ मिलते हैं. 1 लाख रुपए का हमारा सेटअप है एंड अराउंड 2 लाख रुपीज़ इज़ आर फ्रेंचाइज फी प्लस GST. दिस इज़ वॉट यू इन्वेस्ट. जस्ट गो डाउन एंड इसके बदले इफ़ यू सी ऑन द सेकेंड लाइन, सेकेंड रो, you get 45,000 rupees as guaranteed or assured income every month in the first year, 55 in the second year, 65 in the third year and 75 in the fourth year. And at the end of 4 years, जो stock आपका ownership का था, that we buy back from you at a fixed cost of 3 lakhs. So at an overall investment of about 18 lakh, 4 साल बाद आपको 31,80,000 rupees return मिलते हैं, which is a net IRR of about 29% that you get. It's as simple as an SWP plan, a systematic withdrawal plan आप समझ लीजिए, या फिर एक passive investment. It's a finance lease in short that we do through you. Just go down or down. नीचे और थोड़ा, हाँ, एक और, just one more, sorry. Yeah. These are like our hubs where we store your products. So we buy assets from you and we store at wherever our locations are, wherever we need the stock. And यहाँ से वो कोई भी customer को जाता है, return आता है, and then it goes back to the library, cleaning, sanitized, and then used again. So it continuously यहाँ से use होते हैं. One question which everybody thinks कि यार बच्चे तो टॉय तोड़ देते हैं या टॉय तो काफ़ी fragile होते हैं. Of course जो मॉडल में हम एंटर कर रहे हैं, we know in what model we are. So most of the toys are high quality wood, paper and plastic. These are from the best of brands which can have test of time, which can easily sustain. Second, हमारा brand के साथ tie up है for a piece to piece replacement. So in case there is a damage or a missing piece, we can get that missing piece back and make the game good again. Factually हमने last 1 साल में 1.5 लाख से ज़्यादा exchange करे हैं. Our damages are less than 100 toys and our missing pieces are less than 2%. So it's very manageable at scale. That is what we have seen entirely. Right, so this is, just go up. I'll just break down one more slide. One more, yeah. One, sorry. Yeah. So this is broadly how a dark store operation works. हम 60 लाख रुपए की इन्वेंट्री एक डार्क स्टोर में कलेक्ट करते हैं, जिसमें शायद आप 10 लाख के मॉडल में आ सकते हो, आप 18 लाख में आ सकते हो, 30 लाख में आ सकते हो. एक डार्क स्टोर में 60 लाख की इन्वेंट्री है, विच इज़ अराउंड 5,000 ऑफ बुक्स और टॉयज़ दैट वी हैव, जिसमें 800 से 100,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हम हैंडल कर सकते हैं. अगर सबने 3 टॉय मंगाए तो 3,000 बाहर चले गए, स्टिल यू हैव इनफ टू शो इट टू द नेक्स्ट कस्टमर. तो 1000 इंटू 800 रुपये हमारे पर मंथ का कॉस्ट है. 8 लाख रुपए किटी में आ गए, जिसमें हमारा रेंट चला गया 50,000. 6 सैलरीज फॉर द पीपल दैट वी हैव इन द वेयर हाउस इज अराउंड 60,000. ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट ऑफ लॉजिस्टिक एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट 2.2. सो 45% डार्क स्टोर को रन करने में चला गया, 27.5% एज एन इन्वेस्टर आपका प्रॉफिट हो गया और बाकी बचा कंपनी के पास. तो और फर्स्ट ब्रेक इवन कम्स एट अबाउट 250 to 300 सब्सक्राइबर्स, then at 500, and then anything above 500 company makes the margin. That's the simple way how it works. So it's a fully legal agreement which we sign for 4 years, and that is how accordingly it operates. So you can be from any city and you can become our part of our growth journey, and that is broadly what we do. So over for any other questions if you have. Thank you. सो वी आर एक्टिव इन रायपुर. हम रायपुर में अभी चालू है. रायपुर में अभी हमारा एक होम मॉडल है, बेसिकली इट्स फ्रॉम अ होम, बट वी आर लुकिंग टू एक्सपैंड दैट स्टोर इन रायपुर. बट एज आई सेड, इट डजेंट मैटर इन विच सिटी यू आर. आपको हम कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देते हैं कि आपका स्टॉक हमने ये सिटी में रखा हुआ है, दीज आर ईयर मार्क्ड सेपरेटली दैट दीज आर योर स्टॉक्स, एंड देन वी यूज देम अकॉर्डिंग टू नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर्स. दैट देर इज नथिंग दैट यू कैन गो एंड पिक अप. आपको ऑर्डर, आप भले ही देख सकते हो वो जगह जाके, बट आपको ऑर्डर ऐप पे से ही करना है. पूरा सिस्टम ऐप पे ही चल रहा है अभी. तो आप आज ऑर्डर करते हो तो कल डिलीवर होता है. राइट नाउ वी आर वर्किंग ऑन अ 1 hour डिलीवरी. नहीं, इट्स अ नॉर्मल, जैसे अमेजॉन फ्लिपकार्ट आप यूज़ करते हो, सिंपल अमेजॉन फ्लिपकार्ट जैसा ऐप है. चेन्नई में वी हैव अ स्टोर, वी हैव इट इन सौकारपेट. इट्स बेसिकली एक हमारे अपने ही जैन मित्र हैं जिन्होंने उनके सी ऑफिस में नीचे जगह थी, वहाँ पे एक वेयर हाउस सेटअप किया हुआ है. So Bangalore we have it in Jayanagar, and we were in close to we are now getting into Whitefield. Basically we are now opening a new one in Whitefield.
Do you have any opportunity in Bangalore?
Yeah, we can, we definitely, because Bangalore has more than 900 plus customers for us. So our biggest city is Bombay, Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad. Hyderabad is again one of the big city that we have, and then Pune. We are profitable in all cities right now. all our cities are break even. As a brand also, we are EBITDA positive today. That's how we do.
Great. Thank you, Saurabh.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our next presenter is Anytime Fitness, and I'll invite Arpit Agarwal, who's the Regional Franchise Sales Manager, to give this presentation. Over to you, Arpit.
Hello. Now that your children have played with the toys, let's make them fit. Hi, good evening. I understand most of you might be in a sleepy phase post-lunch, and I am going to present for a fitness brand, so I need some attention here. Okay. My name is Arpit Agarwal. We are starting with the video. Thank you. So that's how I joined this brand. I was a bit of foodie, weighed around 100 kgs. I became a member first for this brand, and then I joined this brand as a franchise regional manager. So I got inspired by my own journey. So I thought of making this India also more fitter. So this was the only reason I joined this brand. Traveler by heart and stationed by the responsibilities. Started with service industry from McDonald's, been with Anytime Fitness since 2020. Currently working as a regional manager with franchise sales. Next. So we'll start with Anytime Fitness. Like, we are the world's biggest gym chain, as you must have seen in the video also. Like, we have more than 5,500 gyms globally, and we have in more than 50 plus countries. If I talk about India, we stand 175 gyms plus. In Hyderabad, recently last month we opened 2 gyms, one in Kondapur, one in Jubilee Hills, and in India also we are present in more than 45 plus cities. Next. Just to give you a quick representation how we have painted the world purple. So we have more than 20 plus years of experience, 40 plus countries, 5,500 plus gyms globally, and we are the only franchise business, not even the fitness business, but only franchise business present in all the continents. So when I say 7 continents, we are there with a gym in Antarctica also. So we don't leave our members, they can visit any country, any state, and they will be able to do workouts. So this is how in India what we have grown, how our franchisees have grown. Post-COVID, significantly we have grown, because post-COVID there is a increment you can see towards the fitness side also. So this helps us also in the growth, and right now we are 170 plus. By 2027 we are planning to open more than 200 plus gyms in India itself. So our target is the middle class, urban class people, not the ones who are already fit, but who haven't joined the fitness industry. So if I tell you the last survey, 98% of the Indian population are not into any fitness activity. So the business is that large. Total investment, what we ask from the franchise is 3 to 3.5 CR. The space requirement is minimum 4,000 to 6,000 square feet. Ideal franchise partner we are looking into who have a business acumen, interested in fitness also, and active role expectation is from our side for the franchise partners. Next. So your break even you get in 2 to 3 years. The annual ROI is 35%, and the best part of the business we have is more than 60% of the owners we have owns more than one gym. So we have owners having 15 gyms, having 20 gyms, having 10 gyms also. So that's how our owners are trusting as a brand. So how we help our franchisee, starting from the selection of the sites, starting and helping them with the vendors, the equipment. We help them with the marketing support. We help them with the training and development of their staff, and all the technological support, the software, the CRM, everything is provided by us. Next. So these are our multi-club operators, like Mr. Sunil Sharma having 7 gyms in Delhi, Sanjay Gupta 7 gyms, Abhishek Bhatia 6 gyms, and this is Manu Grover having 6 gyms. These are the pre-sale numbers of our few gyms. These are the sales which we have done even before our gyms got operational. So like selling more than 500 plus membership even before our gyms got operational will give you around 1.5 CR of your investment even before you have opened the gym. So currently we are looking to expand more in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai and Kochi. Like in last 10 years we have we have done our business mostly in northern part of the India. Now we are expanding in southern part. Like in Bangalore we are coming up in 2 locations. In south, like in Hyderabad, we have 2 locations right now operational. So like our goal is to make the world healthy. So I would, and happy, yes, thanks a lot. There is something our director wants to say to you, like Anytime Fitness is a growing and leading pan-India fitness brand, and we provide 360 support from our side. Okay, we have regional offices in different locations like in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, in Delhi, so that we can provide ground support also to our franchise business. Next. So turn your passion into profit with Anytime Fitness franchise. Thank you. I'm open for questions.
Yeah. Any questions?
Any questions? No? No? Okay. In case you have any questions or you are looking to invest, you can meet me at D5 hall number 4. Thank you.
Thank you. Our next presenter is Lafit. Is Lafit here? Huh? He's already left. Okay. So then we'll play the video. Yeah. All right. So we'll go on to the next presentation. Do we have somebody from Jain Roots here? Yeah? Come. Over to you.
Jai Jineന്ദ്र, good evening. So basically, we are working on 18th century food world. So on the ancient times जो भी हमको food मिलता था एकदम naturally जो मिलता था वो हम लोग वापस modern way में लेके आए हैं. And we have a range of 100 plus products and we have 9 plus categories. और ये हम लोग this is our brand अनादि सूत्रा. So अनादि काल से जो है वापस हम लोग रिव्यू करके लेके आ रहे हैं. और Amazon पे already we have 5-star rating and Google पे अगर आप सर्च करेंगे gum Arabic tea and some keywords then we are on number 1. So this is the why Anadi Sutra. So first and only brand reviewing 18th century Indian food science in a modern way, backed by Ayurveda doctors, food scientists और 200 plus years की legacy है because जो हमारे founders हैं गौतम सर and उनकी जो families हैं वो पिछले 200 साल से उनकी जो उनके दादा परदादा थे वो सब आयुर्वेदा पे काम करते थे एंड लगभग 25 साल से ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है फूड लाइन के अंदर. वी आर इनटू स्पाइसेस इंपोर्ट करते हैं हम लोग. सो ऑलरेडी गवर्नमेंट रिकॉग्नाइज कंपनी है, मीडिया फीचर्ड एंड ग्लोबली अप्रिशिएटेड है, रिकमेंड बाय मिसेस गडकरी. शी स्पेशली इन्वाइटेड देयर होम. उनके घर पे हमको बनाया था. MIT US के जो साइंटिस्ट है वो उन्होंने विजिट किया हमारे स्टोर पे और भी कई सारी हैं जो सो हमारी फिलॉसफी क्या है, फूड वाज मेडिसिन बिफोर मेडिसिन एग्जिस्टेड. सो उसी को फिलॉसफी लिया और हम लोग इसको टॉक्सिन फ्री, सात्विक, ग्रीन फ्रेंडली फूड है, ओनियन गार्लिक फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स है सारे हमारे. सो हमारा मिशन है कि किचन को हम होम फार्मेसी में कन्वर्ट करें. जो पहले के समय में होम फार्मेसी होती थी, जब हम किचन में देखते थे तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें थी जो आज की डेट में किचन से आउटडेट हो चुकी है. सो वी हैव आउटडेटेड ब्रांड ऑल्सो, एंड आवर विजन है कि हम लोग वर्ल्ड में एज ए ग्लोबल ब्रांड बने विथ 18th सेंचुरी फूड लाइन के साथ. ये हमारी कैटेगरीज हैं जिसके अंदर प्लांट बेस्ड वेलनेस ब्लेंड्स हैं, गिल्ट फ्री हेल्दी स्नैक्स हैं, शुगर अल्टरनेटिव्स वी हैव, ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड ओल्ड स्पाइसेस, एनर्जी बार्स एंड स्वीट्स, ओरल एंड कॉस्मेटिक केयर वी हैव रिसेंटली लॉन्च. वी हैव वैदिक ड्रिंक सीरीज, जो इंडिया के अंदर आप बहुत सारे ड्रिंक्स देखते हैं, मैक्सिमम दे हैव कैफीन, शुगर, प्रिजर्वेटिव्स. इवन बिग बिग ब्रांड्स ऑल्सो दे आर सेलिंग preservative drinks. We have a without preservative, without refined sugar, old fashioned magic masala we have, ancient mouth fresheners we have, antique oils and ghee, and vending machines which are for corporate offices, hospitals and other places, public places. We have multi-format opportunities. We have gold partner, we have exclusive partnership for a state or a city. The other one is franchisee store. This is complete retail experience with vending machine, and it's cafe-like model. We have kiosk model also for it's for mall space, street foods like. So we have starting our first store in South India, that is Bangalore in Mantri Square Mall. We have distribution model also for domestic and international distribution. Wellness gifting we have a plan. Vending machine also we have. So एज पर द पार्टनर, उनका कितना फंड है उनके पास, वो एक छोटे 2 लाख से भी स्टार्ट कर सकता है अपने बिजनेस को. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द वी हैव डिफरेंट मॉडल्स वी हैव. सो फ्रेंचाइजी अपॉर्चुनिटी में जैसे स्टोर डिजाइन हाईलाइट्स, आयुर्वेदा इंस्पायर्ड प्रीमियम इंटीरियर्स दैट एजुकेट एंड अट्रैक्ट, कियोस्क, स्टोर, वेंडिंग मशीन, गिफ्टिंग कॉर्नर. ये नेक्स्ट मैम. सो मार्केट में अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या है, अभी आप देखेंगे तो वेलनेस और आयुर्वेदा मार्केट जो है वो 20% प्लस से ग्रो कर रहा है. बिकॉज आफ्टर कोविड अगर आप देखेंगे तो लोगों के अंदर एक बहुत अवेयरनेस आई, जैसे सर का मैंने पानी का जो सर ने बताया है, तो वो सेम ऐसा बहुत लोगों के अंदर अवेयरनेस आई आफ्टर कोविड के. आज पहले लोग लेबल नहीं पढ़ते थे, राइट नाउ एवरी पर्सन वो लेबल पढ़ के प्रोडक्ट उठाता है. इवन आई एम ऑल्सो बिफोर 2 years व्हेन आई इज नॉट इन दिस कंपनी, मैं पहले कुछ भी उठाता था. इवन आई एम गो फॉर नागपुर, मैंने उधर से वाइफ का फ़ोन आया, उधर से लेके आना वो सोन पपड़ी, उसका बहुत फेमस है हल्दीराम का. जब मैं लेके आया उसको पीछे पढ़ा तो शुगर, पाम ऑयल, ये द पैकेजिंग वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, बट जब वो देखा तो सो दैट्स सो कंज्यूमर डिमांड क्लीन लेबल, प्लांट बेस्ड, टॉक्सिन फ्री सॉल्यूशंस. सो मैसिव गैप है अभी ऑथेंटिक एंशिएंट फूड ऑफरिंग्स में. सो स्केलेबल मॉडल है, हाई मार्जिन्स के साथ में, नियर अबाउट इट गोज 35 to 45% मार्जिन रहता है. सो वैदिक इनोवेशंस हमने किए हैं, जैसे वैदिक ड्रिंक मशीन हम लोगों ने लॉन्च की है. इंडिया के अंदर पहली वैदिक ड्रिंक मशीन है, और इसको एमपी के जो सीएम है और हेल्थ मिनिस्टर उन्होंने इसको इनोग्रेट किया है. वैदिक कॉस्मेटिक हम लोगों ने लॉन्च किया है. आज तक आप मार्केट में बहुत सारे ओरल के लिए आप टूथपेस्ट यूज़ करते हैं, यू कैन नॉट ईट दैट, बट हम लोगों ने जो भी एक यू कैन ट्राई ऑल्सो, वी हैव लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट सैम्पल्स वी हैव, आप ट्राई कीजिए. उसके अंदर हमने एक ओरल टूथ केयर लॉन्च किया है, यू कैन ईट ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट्स ऑल अबाउट स्पाइसेस, नो अदर थिंग्स. सो नेक्स्ट मैम. सो बिजनेस मॉडल हाईलाइट्स में है, मल्टीफोल्ड रिटर्न्स ओवर कैपिटल फ्रॉम ईयर, मतलब 6 महीने के अंदर आपका प्रॉफिट स्टार्ट हो जाता है. देन हम लोग कोको मॉडल्स पे भी काम कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे कोई पार्टी ऐसी है कि दे वांट टू स्टार्ट 3, 4, 5 स्टोर्स इन या सिटी, या 2 स्टोर वो चालू करना चाहते हैं, तो कंपनी उसके साथ मिलके कोको मॉडल पे भी काम कर रही है. 300% प्रॉफिट रहता है मिली मील्स के अंदर, क्योंकि हम लोगों को रेडी टू ईट वाले प्रोडक्ट्स भी लेके आए हैं जो प्रिजर्वेटिव फ्री है, जैसे पोहा हो गया, उपमा हो गया, रेडी टू ड्रिंक हो गया, ये सब चीज़ हमारे पास भी है. जो इवन हम लोगों ने यूएसए की एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस है उसके साथ टाई अप कर रहे हैं. रिसेंटली वी वेंट टू यूएस, वहाँ पे एक एक्सपो था, हमने वो अटेंड किया, और गवर्नमेंट ने हम लोग उसको इनवाइट किया था हम लोगों ने. सो यूएसए में हमारा चल रहा है. सो रिसेंटली बिफोर दिवाली वी आर लॉन्चिंग इन बैंगलोर 2 स्टोर्स वी आर कमिंग विद बैंगलोर. एक हमारा इंदौर के अंदर कियोस्क मॉडल है फिनिक्स मॉल के अंदर. एंड रिसेंटली वी हैव स्टार्टेड विद रिलायंस गो फ्रेश, दैट इज़ प्रीमियम स्टोर इन पुणे. तो रिलायंस का जो सिग्नेचर एक स्टोर होता है गो फ्रेश होता है, और एक उसका फ्रेश पिक होता है. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद गो फ्रेश. और पाइपलाइन में भी हम लोग हैदराबाद, चेन्नई, कोची, विशाखापट्टनम, मदुरई, कोयम्बटूर. तो वी आर फोकसिंग फॉर साउथ इंडिया दिस लोकेशंस, टॉप टायर 1 सिटीज़. और 100 फ्रेंचाइजी का हमारा प्लान है 2026-27 तक. और रेवेन्यू जो है 250 करोड़ का हमारा प्लान है. और ग्लोबल हम लोग ऑलरेडी अभी कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हमारे जो फाउंडर हैं गौतम धाकड़ सर, ही इज़ राइट नाउ इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, सिडनी में. सो हमारा ग्लोबल एक्सपेंशन में हम लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यूएस, दुबई, यूएई और जर्मनी, इन कंट्रीज़ में ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं हम लोग. एम टू एस्टेब्लिश 18th सेंचुरी फूड वर्ल्ड एज ए ग्लोबल लीडर ब्रांड. ऑलरेडी हम लोग अमेजन पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो 4+ स्टार रेटिंग है. जैसे हम लोग स्ट्रैटेजिक टाइप्स हम लोगों ने किया है गो फ्रेश और रिलायंस फ्रेश पिक के साथ. नेक्स्ट मैम. सो वाई पार्टनर अस, क्योंकि हम लोग एंड टू एंड सपोर्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम साइट सिलेक्शन से स्टोर सेटअप तक, राइट. सेकंड, वी हैव ट्रेन वर्कफोर्स. सो आयुर्वेदा डॉक्टर्स वी हैव रिसर्च बेस्ड, तो वो उनको एंड डेप्थ नॉलेज रहता है एक एक प्रोडक्ट का, तो वो हम लोग उसको एक्सपीरियंस ट्रेनिंग्स देते हैं. और ऑलरेडी मल्टी जनरेशन एक्सपर्टाइज टीम है, बिकॉज आवर फाउंडर इज देयर इनटू 25 years of experience in spices. They are importer and they are supplying to multiple companies who are into masala and all this thing. So we have marketing, branding, condition, innovation हम लोग प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर करते रहते हैं. सो मैं चाहूँगा कि आप सब लोग एक बार हमारा प्रोडक्ट सैम्पल्स डिस्प्लेस लगे हैं, तो एक बार आप ट्राई कीजिए, सो यू नो अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, क्या क्वालिटी है और क्या क्या रिसर्च किया हम लोगों ने. नेक्स्ट मैम. So this is our digital brochure. You can scan and download the brochure. And if you have any queries, you can visit our table. So thank you so much. If any have queries.
Thank you so much. Any questions?
So आपका प्रोडक्ट रेंज कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? मतलब बेचना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है या बहुत रिकरिंग, मतलब कस्टमर आने के लिए ऑनलाइन में प्रेजेंट वगैरह अमेज़न से ही?
Amazon also, we have Flipkart also, we have Tata and हमारा खुद का वेबसाइट भी है, anadisutra.only.in.
नाम बहुत ज़बरदस्त लगा सर, अनादि. ग्रेट ग्रेट सर.
So we have one brand also, only.in, that is we are for international market.
हैदराबाद में आपने लगाया
Hyderabad we are coming.
फ्रेंचाइजी स्टार्टेड?
नहीं, Hyderabad is Serbia. We have inquiries. Thank you, Juto.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we'll start at 10 o'clock in the morning. And because today is the first day, I think the response has not been as, we would have expected it to be because of a lot of other events around us. But I'm sure tomorrow is going to be a very, very action-packed day. The master class is already completely full. We had to really reopen it with another additional few seats. So that is full. So tomorrow, please be prepared. We are going to have a lot of audience for sure. Thank you so much, everybody.
Importers, food imported sauces and rice, all imported cuisines. So I would like to have any connect to that. Thank you.
The roster number
84.
Jai Jirendra. My name is Abhishek Jain. I am practicing chartered accountant. So my firm name is Abhishek Jain and Associates. There is no business which can work without CA. So if anybody needs my services, you can contact me. And even I provide the investment advisory services. My family business is real estate business. So any land development work which you need, I can provide that also. My roster number is 97. My roster number is 94. Abhishek Jain. 99 458 177 44. Thank you.
Jai Jirendra. Myself Mokshit Jain from Bijapur. I have the wholesale kirana shop in Bijapur, which is represented by Praveen Traders. We only deal with wholesale all the kirana items, and we sell in all the nearby districts. And behalf of that, I am looking for another new venture in the Bijapur. So whoever franchise can contact me.
Hi, good evening everybody. I represent a firm called Cap Infinity Private Limited. We are into imports and exports of food grains. We export to about 15 countries as of today, doing about 100 containers per month. We import from about 4-5 countries currently. We import from Vietnam, Tanzania, China and other places. We have been dealing in a lot of agri-commodities and we would still be interested in exporting other commodities. So my specific ask is somebody who has a product which could be exported out of India, please get in touch. If you are manufacturers or processors, we could together reach the global market and make big money. And my give is I can connect to anybody who is looking into the agro processing factory, who needs any help with the export industry or the imports. I am more than happy to help. And we are one of the leading corn suppliers in Karnataka. So I would love to connect with ethanol industry as well. Sorry, I didn't share. My row number is not there. Please note down my mobile number. It's Kunal Porwal. My mobile number is 9620989099.
Members, I request everyone to please maintain the time. So the remaining we can continue in the P2P. Thank you.
Good evening and Jai Jinendra to everyone. My name is Naman and I am from Bijapur, which is in North Karnataka, if many of you won't know it. So my business, coming to my business, we are into agricultural commodities, trade and manufacturing, and apart from that we also do warehousing services. So if anybody is interested in our warehousing services or anybody who can supply any agricultural commodity or purchase from us, I would love to get in contact with them. And my roster number is 26. My name is Naman Porwal again. Mobile number is 9945 989099. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Now we end up with the table 1. Now we'll start with the table 2. Thank you.
Jai Jinendra. Blah 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 blah. So much noise, right? No. I have no hook line, no jargon, no fancy frills, only simple and clear. I simplify your life with simple investment planning. And that is what I do. I am Kanchan J, MP registered mutual fund distributor and a financial educator, and I simplify people's life with proper planning, goal-based planning, be it retirement, your retirement or children's education or your travel plans. Everything clearly and goal-based. And we operate 100% online, so anyone from anywhere. We also deal with NRI clients. So you all can connect to me for any of your investment plannings. And my ask is, if you haven't done your financial planning till now, then do connect to me. And if you have done, just please connect to me for your reviews. Thank you. Yes, okay. So my roster number is number 5 8074688720.
जय जिनेंद्र। बाहर से कोई अंदर ना आ सके, अंदर से कोई बाहर ना जा सके, सोचो कभी ऐसा हो तो क्या हो। डोंट वरी, हम होम ऑटोमेशन में डील करते हैं। आप मोबाइल से भी लॉक खोल सकते हैं और लाइट बंद करना भूल गए, कोई टेंशन नहीं, फोन से एक टैप करो और टाटा बाय बाय डिस्को। यानी कि घर को इतना स्मार्ट बनाओ कि कभी कभी लगे कि घर तुमसे ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट हो। हाय, मेरा नाम है निमेश जैन, मैं मुंबई मिड टाउन चैप्टर का मेंबर हूँ और मेरा कंपनी नेम है रिदान सेल्स कॉर्पोरेशन, होम ऑटोमेशन कैटेगरी है। मेरा नाम लिस्ट में नहीं है। 9029588744 मेरा मोबाइल नंबर। थैंक यू।
नंबर अगेन
9029588744 निमेश जैन, रिदान सेल्स कॉर्पोरेशन। थैंक यू।
जय जिनेंद्र। मेरा नाम हर्ष जैन है। हम बेसिकली स्टील के डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं और साथ में सोलार भी हम ट्रेड करते हैं, सोलार पैनल्स। तो जिसे भी स्टील का, जिंदल स्टील का रिक्वायरमेंट हो वो कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, साथ में सोलार पैनल्स और इन्वर्टर्स का रिक्वायरमेंट हो तो कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
मेरा नाम नहीं है लिस्ट में, तो आप नंबर नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं. माय नंबर इज 9673001234.
हेलो जय जिनेंद्र सबको. मेरा नाम ऋषभ भाटिया है, मैं परभनी से हूँ. एक्चुअली मेरा बिजनेस है पेट्रोलियम और मल्टीप्लेक्स थिएटर का और वेयरहाउसिंग का. तो किसी को भी वेयरहाउसिंग के लिए जैसे सप्लाई और लॉजिस्टिक के लिए या रेंटल स्टॉक और फूड ग्रेड के लिए कुछ कनेक्ट करना है तो मुझसे कनेक्ट हो सकता है. थैंक यू. मेरा सीरियल नंबर है 24.
जय जिनेंद्र, प्रणाम. मेरा नाम आनंद जैन है, मैं परभनी महाराष्ट्र से आया हूँ. बाय प्रोफेशनल मैं टैक्स कंसल्टेंट हूँ, लेकिन मेरे को यहाँ कोई नए बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए नहीं आया हूँ. फिलहाल मेरे को इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट के लिए आपकी हेल्प चाहिए.
जय जिनेंद्र, मेरा नाम गगन जैन है. मेरे फर्म का नाम है न्यू जेन एंटरप्राइजेस. हम लोग बेसिकली फर्नीचर मैन्युफैक्चरर और टॉय शॉप में होलसेलर है. तो किसी को भी मैं परभनी महाराष्ट्र से बेस्ड करता हूँ. मैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया सप्लाई करना चाहता हूँ. तो मैं रिटेलर्स के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी लेके आया हूँ, इसलिए मैं कनेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ. और मेरी आस्क यही है कि कोई जैन हो या अजैन हो, आपका कोई भी फ्रेंड टॉय शॉप या फर्नीचर का इंपोर्ट करना चाहता है कोई भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट से इंडिया के, तो मैं सप्लाई कर सकता हूँ. मेरा सीरियल नंबर है 23. थैंक यू.
वो यारों की महफिल, वो मुस्कुराते पल, कभी जिंदा है बीता हुआ कल. कभी जिंदगी गुजरती थी हंसने हंसाने में, आज वक्त गुजरता है कागज के टुकड़े कमाने में. वी ऑल्सो बिलीव इन सेम थिंग. आप कागज के टुकड़े यानी आप पैसे कमाए. माई सेल्फ धीरल मेहता फ्रॉम प्रसिद्धि एडकॉन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. वी आर इनटू बिजनेस ऑफ पेरोल मैनेजमेंट, गवर्नमेंट लाइसेंसिंग. If you have any query related to payroll management, you can do contact us. We are also providing virtual HR. There is my name is not in my in this list. Please note down my number 962 444 9227. Thank you. Thank you all.
जय जिनेंद्र एवरीवन. मेरा नाम शिवम है और मैं चंडीगढ़ से आया हूँ, चंडीगढ़ चैप्टर में. और हमारा मेजरली काम है रियल एस्टेट और सोलर बिजनेस के लिए लीड जनरेट करना और उनके लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रेवेन्यू ग्रो करना. सो व्हाट वी आर बेसिकली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इज टू ग्रो योर बिजनेस इन रेवेन्यू. दैट इज इट. एंड आप में से कोई भी रियल एस्टेट या फिर सोलर के लिए अपने बिजनेस या फिर किसी भी अपने नोन के बिजनेस को ग्रो करना चाहता है, आई एम देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट एंड वी हैव अ प्रूवन रिजल्ट्स. थैंक यू.
Roster number? Roster number?
I am not present in this list. You can please note down my number. I'm really sorry. My name is Shivam Jain. My number is 628400 6482.
Repeat once again.
I'll repeat it once again. 628400 6482. हो गया सबको? Thank you so much.
Jai Jinendra everyone. We produce videos for ads in social media. So हमारे customers आज कहाँ हैं? They are all on the phones watching videos. So we put your product and services in front of them. And if you plan to become a brand yourself, then we can make you your brand. So हमारे customers हैं. Anybody who wants to grow the revenue or be the brand. Thank you. My number is not listed here. My name is Karina. 828774628. And also to add for personal brand, those who do not want to come in front of camera, we can add those also. 828774628. Thank you.
जय जिनेंद्र सभी को. मैं JPN डेक्कन हैदराबाद की तरफ से आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं और आप लोगों को शुक्रिया करता हूं कि आप लोगों ने टाइम निकाल के यहाँ आए. धन्यवाद सभी को. Like I am into JPN Deccan and my name is Vinay Jain. I am into consumer electronics. We deal in all kind of electronics like air conditioners, TVs, refrigerators, washing machines, all kind of consumer appliances and whatever you need. My ask is connect me to your relatives or friends. Anyone is shifting here, so you can refer them to me. Thank you so much. And once again, thank you all for coming here. Sorry, my name is not listed. You can note down my number 9966 998865. Vinay Jain, Kundan Electronics.
Jai Jinendra. I am Jitendra Kumar Botra from Harmony Global Partner from Calcutta. I am into financial services, building B2 channels for financial services. So basically I am more into B2 channel for financial services company to build. Like a life insurance, health insurance, invoice discounting, PMS, I have helped the brands like Motilal Oswal, Nirmal Bang and Smiths, Max Life and all these. So anybody who wants to build up the B2B channel and B2 channel distribution in Eastern India can get in touch with me. So my number is not there. You can write down 90730 525555. Just a testimonial of JBN. We launched an invoice discounting product last year in JBN Calcutta, all 4 chapters. We did some 95 crores business there with the JBN chapter itself. Thank you so much. Jitendra Kumar Bothra.
Jai Jain to all the members present here. I am Rishabh Jain representing Krishna Polkin. We are contract manufacturers of crude solvents. We are looking for people who are related in printing, pharma, paint industries. Our main products are IPA, Thiotolin and distilled solvents. So my number is not listed here. My number is 888 62 99990.
Jai Jinendra everyone. I am Mukesh Manok from Chennai. We are into wholesale supply of fabrics, manufacturer garment, cotton based fabrics. We procure from yarn to the finished product. We do only wholesale, only export, not domestic supply. Anyone interested, contact me. 98400 72093.
जय जितेंद्र, क्या कर रहे मियाँ? क्या कर रहे मियाँ? Why is everyone so silent? क्या कर रहे मियाँ? हैदराबाद में आप सबका स्वागत है. This is Mehul from JBN Kohinoor. My eyes lit up as soon as Pankaj ji told that he is into refurbished laptops. I am also into refurbished laptops in Hyderabad. I also import. Let's collaborate if it's possible. I take products from Lamington Road, and like that there are I guess many other referrals. आपको 1.5 लाख का लैपटॉप 30,000 में होना क्या? तो या तो मेरे को रिफर करो या पंकज जी को रिफर करो, and let's collaborate and make this referral meeting even more interactive. Thank you. 334715. We deliver pan India. Thank you.
Jai Jinendra guys, myself Rachit Bansali representing Vendor Appliances Private Limited Jodhpur. I am from Jodhpur chapter. We are into manufacturing of rechargeable torches, table lamps, headlamps, extension boards. We are doing our own brand Rising, and we are OE supplier to Bajaj Electricals, D-Light, Eveready and other brands. So if anyone has a requirement of rechargeable torches and anyone knows anyone from those who need rechargeable torches, could connect to us. My number is 9799450719. Thank you so much.
Jai Jinendra Rockstars.
Myself Vikas Kothari, founder of Drycraft and referral head of JBN Guwahati RM. Drycraft एक ऐसा वन स्टॉप हब है जहाँ प्लाईवुड से लेकर विनियर तक, लेदर से लेकर फ्लोरिंग तक, रबर से लेकर क्लैडिंग तक, लॉक से लेकर LED लाइट्स तक, सब कुछ एक ही जगह, ऑल इन वन, फुल पैसा वसूल है. My ask is vendors from all over India coming to Northeast for construction work or furniture work. Almost 9 5-star hotels are coming in Guwahati, so if you need any connect, can connect me. Thank you. My number is 98643 03700. And my give is also Kempa Cola factory, which is upcoming, which is in North, all over Pan India, so I can connect over there also. It's a Reliance brand.
Jai Jinendra. From Ladakh to Kerala, from Bikaner to West Bengal, We are electrifying India one step at a time. I am Shashank Jain, representing my firm SPM Cables, South India's largest cable manufacturer. We manufacture up to 33 kV cable and supply to over 17 states through DISCOMs and EPC contractors. I am looking to find people who are interested to join us, become our dealers, distributors, or EPC contractors who would love to work with us, because I can assure you, we provide the best quality at the honest pricing. Thank you. My phone number 9985414444.
वन के बाद भूल गए वन के बाद बताओ
14444 4 4s in the end. 9985414444. Yes.
Jai Jinesh, I'm Lalit Uglia from Hyderabad. I'm a GBN co-convener as well in Hyderabad. And I'm into tiles and bath fittings. We have 2 showrooms here. I'm looking to connect to people who's looking to do business in construction industry in Hyderabad. So connect me to any of your interior designers, builders or architects, MEP consultants who wants to work in Hyderabad. I'll be the best source for that. And also, as I'm a good giver, I'm habituated to giving referrals to everyone. So if anyone who wants to connect in Hyderabad for any industry, please connect with me over WhatsApp. My number is 9009 6006. I'll repeat 9009 6006. Connect me over WhatsApp or P2 for any contact you want, because I'm well connected to all the chapters, and any specific industry you're looking for, let me know. I'll try my best to connect with you. That is what we are up for. Lalit Uglia.
He gives 15 referrals every JBN meeting. 15 referrals minimum. So if you want anything in Hyderabad, you can always connect with him.
Thank you so much.
And lastly, forgot to add, he's a great mentor as well. Now we know what business our fellow members are into and what kind of customers they are looking for. Let us all start working to connect one another and bring referrals. Please remember, before you connect to the referrals, make sure you inform the referred person that your fellow member will be calling or meeting him/her. Now I hand over the next part of the meeting to our referral meeting lead. मिलोगे तो मिलेगा. The world is always a giver's gain. So if you have any referrals for any
referral for Kanchan Jain Mutual Fund Distributor. So we have recently gone. So I am looking for such distributors so we can collaborate and work together. So you can please note down my number and then we can connect over a P2P. So my number is 98692 89491. Vedic Bafna, and my company name is Monarch Network Capital Limited.
You can exchange your cards right after the meeting.
Yes, sure.
And
And
now you have referrals and
It's okay.
you can connect over P2P.
same industry. Thank you. Anyone else?
Anyone has told me about the real estate. So I have many clients in Ahmedabad. We are in a factory compliances, labor compliances. So I can refer them. Very good client, Venus Group and all that. They are all my clients. Thank you.
आपका नाम? Your name? Dhiran Mehta.
For refurbished laptops, Mohit and Mehul and Pankaj, a cousin of mine in Chennai is doing laptop refurbishing, recycling. So if you have any dead stock for recycling, you could connect them. I'll just share the number after the meeting.
I would like to give myself referral to Jitendra Botra. because we would be, I mean, I'm not sure about the product, but I think we would be needing invoice discounting if you can offer to us as well for our export invoices or our domestic invoices, if there's something like that. And then I would also like to give referral to Miss Kanchan, my father's contact. I think he's making good money.
Anyone else? You can take a start.
I want to connect with Mr. Lalit ji because if I possible will try to start my work in Hyderabad city also because I am working in Mumbai and Gujarat. So if possible we can. And
It's easy for you in Hyderabad.
yeah, and Vikas Kothari ji, you supply ply lights. So my work is for that field also interior contracts completely. So we can. And third, the solar panels. I have some contacts and developers for Mumbai, so I can share the contacts for them. We can try it. Yeah, thank you.
I have a self-referral for Vedic Bhakna. I'd like to connect with you over P2P to explore my journey for the public issue.
ललित जी के लिए रेफरेंस था. So I have one of the client, Conwood नाम है, explained उसकी. Conwood is an Indonesian company and they have started their business again in India now and they are majorly supplying जो आपने panels देखे होते हैं अगर side में, तो वो majorly architects और again real estate या फिर इन जगह पे जाता है. और solar के लिए भी again अगर किसी को requirement है, जैसे so I have client with me, अगर आपका solar customer भी है, but still अगर in case कुछ भी होता है तो किसी भी तरीके से कोलैबोरेट अगर कर सकते हैं तो we'll surely do. I've got a self-referral for Shashank ji. We require quite a lot of meters of cable every month, so we'll get in touch.
So, I think Kanchanji, you can add this product which is invoice discounting. I think we can connect over the.
P2P में connect करिए, जिसको भी reference मिल रहा है ना अभी, उसकी detail बात करिए और 2-4 reference लिख देंगे उसको.
Yes, yes.
Trying to do P2P is just next. और you may continue here also I think.
अभी किसी ने warehousing and cold storage के बारे में बात किया था. Anyone is doing cold storage? मैं बेलगाम में काम करता हूँ. आपका तो आप मेरे को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो इसके बारे में.
Anyone else? Any other referrals? We can connect once, Pankaj ji. Let's collaborate and work.
Import export we both are doing for food grade products and all. I could connect you to Navdeep Kolecha. So he's into exporting of some fruits also. So he's a farmer basically and he's also into JB and Apex team. So I'll get you connected to him.
एक मेरा है यहाँ पे कोई जेम कंसल्टेंसी करता है क्या? सो आई कैन कनेक्ट विद होम डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ आसाम. एनीवन जेम कंसल्टेंट हियर? ओके ओके. So nowadays government has purchased all the materials via JM portal. So okay. And in Assam I will connect you.
वाशी में बहुत सारे कोल्ड स्टोरेजेस है. वहाँ पे अगर किसी का कोई कनेक्ट है तो मेरे को
APMC मार्केट है सबसे बड़ा वाशी.
मैं कोल्ड स्टोरेज के लिए आपको कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ. हमारे जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट के कन्वेनर है जेबीएन कन्वेनर, उनका कोल्ड स्टोरेज का ही बिजनेस है और वो अमूल के सबसे बड़े वहाँ पे है कोल्ड स्टोरेज. तो उनसे आपको अच्छा कनेक्ट कहीं मिल जाएगा. Now it's time for awards. Today's award is sponsored by Avocado by AI by Ankit Jain and Anurag Jain. Best 30 seconds weekly presentation is none other. Now, best female race, Kanchan Jain. I request several head to please. Congratulations. For best female male races members.
Yes, self-reference is a good idea.
He's the best dressed. He's already got it in the last meeting. That's why I'm giving. And I cannot take. I am also best dressed. Sorry.
इसको self refer बोलते हैं.
So tie was the most important thing. There's no one with a tie.
Winner bhai.
I thanks all the sponsors.
I would request what Avocado AI do and
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Tamana Jain and I am here to represent Avocado. Just imagine this, you get a new lead and your sales team just don't contact them for a while, or they maybe are busy or they are late. By then the customer is not interested and you may lose the lead. So this is why we built Avocado. Avocado is the AI who talks like your best salesperson, not IVR, not a recorded call, but a real human-like conversations. It can make 10,000 calls in just a few minutes, chat on WhatsApp and web, and answer to your customer service 24/7, even if it is a 2 AM crisis. With Avocado, you never lose a lead, close more sales, saves cost, and grow faster. You can come meet us at our booth in Business Bay, Arena 2, stall number E05. Thank you.
For attending our referral meeting. So about 19 referrals were passed in this meeting. It was low in quantity but very high on quality. Thank you so much for the national anthem.